Okay, let's talk about the homework 6 or project 2. We may use the SAS shell from, you can find it from the Blackboard, the electronic reserves, and let's see, because we may need to use the remote lab, I mean the remote servers from our school, so yeah, please get familiar with this. And when you click the link, you can see the description here. And if you are at school now, then you're fine. You can use the school Wi-Fi, right? But if you're at home or anyway other places, please set up and turn on your VPN, right? We have set up the VPN before, and now I'm at school, so I'm using the Wi-Fi. Yeah. And yeah, so how can we get access to this service? So yeah, you can see we can use the SSH and with our net ID, actually just your GW number, the G blah 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 with 8-digit number, right? And if you are using a Linux or Apple, you can easily using the terminal, right? If you are using the Windows system, then you had better to download a PuTTY and use the mobile Xterm. And I will try to do the example using a MacBook, right? So let's go. When you use the command and space, then you go to search a terminal, right? Yeah, then you go with your terminal, start with the terminal, and as it described here, we can use the SSH with X and set up your user ID is the right, and add, and then it will shows like you should enter your password. That this password is actually the password you use to log into the Blackboard system, the G-Web, right? So and the password will not appear even though you are typing in. So please be confident to yourself, right? Like I'm typing and enter a return. Okay, and then you can see you are logging in. Please ignore these warnings. What cannot open a connection. But actually you're fine. You're fine. When you see that your GWID or net ID are showing here, that means you are entered the system. You can use PWD to show your the path of the current location of your file system, and use the ls to check your the list of documents, the list of the folders, I mean the items inside this path under your net ID. Yeah, so this is how you can connect it into our school system, the remote service. But another thing is maybe you need to upload some files, right? Because we will give you the like for homework 6, I will give you a zip file. So you need to upload a zip file into our service and unzip it, right? And do some and do your homework, the project. So how can we upload the local file into it? Oh, I will use the test sh. I mean any kind of file will do the same thing. But firstly, let me remove the file inside. Right. Yeah, it disappeared. Yeah. So okay, and then you can see my text is on my desktop, and I can open another window to show the location of the desktop, right? Yeah, and in the desktop you can see the file I want to upload it is on the test, is on the desktop, and still PWD can get my file path, right? And let me introduce one method. You can upload your I will introduce 3 methods actually. So firstly, we may use, you are in your local computer system, the terminal, and you can use what? You can use the scp, this command with the path to your file, right? User Zoe desktop test sh, and then followed with our this remote service, and you want to tell him actually you want to tell him the places you want to upload it, right? If you use the slash like this, then it will just set it will just upload the file into a default path. I'm not sure where would it be our GWI under our GWID or any other place. Let me try. Oops. Is it real? Oh, users, sorry. Oops. Yeah, users. And then you will need your password, right? And then you can see the upload is finished. And let me check in our system. Yeah, you can see the test sh is already uploaded. Yeah, that means it will upload our file into the default path. That is how you can upload something into the remote service. Let me remove it again. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, this is the first method, and let me introduce another. Another is that we are trying to get access into this service using not the sh, not sh. We are using sftp. Sorry, SHTP. So it's another way to connect to the remote service, and still just SFTP with your the link or the service address, and then enter your password. Okay, then you will get into it, right? And you can still see what content inside. So a little different from the FTP with the SSH connected is that you can see it have much more color in the SSH connected, and for SFTP just simply the black words. And yeah, here you can see the same thing inside, and yeah, we are inside the SFTP system here. And another way to, here is the method 2. We can upload our local file. Local file test sh into the system is to use the put. When you are when you are connected with the SFTP, you use put, and with the path location, right? Users Zoe desk. I'm not sure should it be capital, but I will keep it capital. And then yeah, you can see it uploaded really fast. And let's check again. Is it here? And yes, you can see our test sh is here. Yeah, right. And we can double check it with our SSH connection. Yeah, you can see it's already uploaded here. And this is the method 2, or the way 2 you can upload something inside our remote system. The only backward is that it does not have too much color. So that make it hard to recognize something, but I think that's fine. Okay, so let's remove it again. Okay, it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Okay, let me introduce the method 3. I think it will be better or easier to cooperate with the with, I mean, it will be a visualized method. It's the FileZilla. When you find this website here, and you can download the app. We are downloading FileZilla, the client. We are not the servers, right? We are downloading the client, and you can see if you are Mac OS with Intel collection or other. Let me find another edition, any other versions. Yeah, I'm using the Mac OS Apple Silicon, so I would prefer to download this one, and then it will start to download. Okay, it finished download, and after you you just unzip it, right? You just double click it, and you will unzip it with this application, right? And you can use this application just directly to show the location you may need to adjust, or yeah, you can use this visualize panel to like connect it. The host is our address, right? Remember, is our net ID with the shell.seas hw.edu. The username will be your net ID, right? The password, right? The port will be 22, and then you can quick connect. Yes, and you will try to believe the key, and then you just enter the system. So yeah, you are entering the system, and in the left side is the system of your personal desktop or personal computer, and the right side with the remote server. And you can see we are under the our net ID folder, right? That's the default path, and you can see anything inside it. And yeah, they are something we may need to use. And when you direct it yourself to the file you want to, the path you want to go. For example, I want to go to the desktop, and I want to upload a test this file into our remote system. Then I will just simply drag it, and then it will finish upload it, right? Test sh is here, and let me double check, is it here? Where is it? Yeah, it's here. Test sh, right? We can get it here, and yeah, we finished upload it. And if we want to upload a zip file, right, then we can let me try introduce the zip. Oops, where is it? File, yeah, it's here. Is it a zip? No, it's not a zip, but if it is a zip, okay, yeah. For example, I want to introduce the Homework 6 main zip. Then how can you unzip it? You just unzip. Oops. Homework 6. You can use tab. Oh, all right. Yeah, and then you can unzip it. And if something already inside, you will need to determine that do you want to replace the unzip folder or keep the original folder. But I will use replace it, and yes, replace it, replace. Oops, always replace. So it will be a or well, yeah. So you can see our Homework 6. You can go use CD to go to the Homework 6, right? Our Homework 6. Should be here, right? Where is it? Oh, it will call project main, sorry. Project 6 main. Yeah. And then we will enter our system. Yeah. That is. Maybe it's not the origin system, so if I want to use make, yeah, because I'm already make, but if it is the origin zip file, then you will use the make to make a driver, and then you can use the driver to run the C program, and it should be the origin C program. So this will also the homework you will need to do to improve the time we are using for each task, right? Yeah. And when you want to exist the remote server, you will just use exist, and then it will log out. Yeah. And then you will get a result after the using the /driver. And firstly, you need to make the driver, right? And yeah, here is all you may need to know. And I think we will change the kernel C, right? Is it called kernel C? Yeah. Yeah. And then you will edit something inside. I'm using the vim editor, and yeah, please go through the file and improve it, right? Yeah, use the WQ to keep your edition. If you just use Q, then you will just quit without save your changes. So please use the WQ when you want to exist the vim, right? If you just Q, then you just quit. If you are WQ, you are write and quit. Okay, please. And yeah, when you want to go back to the father path of the folder, then you will use cd space dot. Yeah, and then you will go back to our default path, default folder. It's under our net ID. Yeah, and use the exist to quit the system. So yeah, we are introducing 3 methods to connect and upload file into the system and do some coding work. So please get familiar with the Linux command line or just our remote server. Thank you.